In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch the World Cup in Spanish. Now, there are multiple ways that you're able to do this. So if you want to watch the World Cup in Spanish on TV, then you guys are able to use something like Telemundo or Universal as well. If you have cable, check your local lineup for Telemundo and Universal, but most likely you are going to have access to Telemundo, so you should be good to go, and that's what you're able to go ahead and actually use. Now, let's go ahead and talk about if you're on a mobile device, PC, or smart TV. So for this, there's actually multiple apps that we're able to go ahead and use. So you can open up the Google Play Store, for example, and then go to the search bar and look up Peacock. And then you guys are able to go ahead and install it. But unfortunately, you are going to need a subscription in order to use Peacock. So if you already have the Peacock TV subscription, then you're good to go. You can go ahead and install it from here. And you can go ahead and watch the World Cup in Spanish on your smart device. Or what you guys could also do is you can go ahead and look up Telemundo right over here, Deportes en Vivo. And then there, you guys are able to go ahead and install it. So here it is, Series y TV en Vivo. You can go ahead and install it just like that. And we also do have another platform called Fubo. So if you can go ahead and look up Fubo, there you go. So we do have multiple different options, guys. So that there is definitely pretty cool. You're able to use Fubo in order to watch the World Cup as well. And YouTube TV often carries Telemundo in supported markets. So if you do have YouTube TV, then you can actually just watch Telemundo from there and then enjoy the World Cup in Spanish. For the cheapest option, many viewers use Peacock on their phone, computer, Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, or Smart TV to watch the Spanish broadcast. So those are just my insights, and if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.